Just after sunrise, the Mekong wakes up quietly. The sky turns pink, almost unreal, and below it the river is already alive. Boats move like they know exactly where they're going. No rush, no noise, just another morning beginning. We take a boat and drift into the rhythm of the Mekong. People live on these boats. Some are just waking up, some are already washing, cooking, working, all on the water, as naturally as breathing. Boats glide past carrying vegetables, bananas, watermelons, pineapples, even durians. This is business without shops, commutes without roads, and conversations carried by the current. An old lady is gently paddling rice noodles, her movements slow, steady, practiced over a lifetime. Breakfast arrives from the river. Rice noodle soup with pork from her boat. Then, unexpectedly, a wedding boat passes by. A couple, dressed for their big day, posing for photos on the water. Life doesn't pause here. Even love flows with the river. The Mekong is busy, vibrant, and deeply alive. Not loud, not rushed, just people living, working, loving, one morning at a time, on the river that carries it all.